Because as professionals wishing to evolve your business, we know that you are not looking for graphic designers who are sufficiently talented in design software. That's why we don't make logos, leaflet, or business cards. Nor do we develop restaurant menus or visuals for social networking. So what do? Well, we go beyond all that. We will create a real graphic identity and experience for you to make you unique and essential. After all, each famous brand has been able to differentiate itself and become unforgettable. And these brands are even more famous than their founders. We all know BMW, McDonald's, Starbucks, or Netflix. Moreover, just hearing these brands, we instinctively visualize their logos as they have permeated our minds and sometimes even our childhood. And yet, the name of Gustavado mean absolutely nothing to us. No more than those of Ray Kroc, Gordon Bowker, or Reed Hastings. The work of a graphic designer is done at a vital stage of your project. We give it a face and an aura. This phase should not be overlooked, as it will define the path that will then open up for your business. Would Nike be what it is today without its swoosh? Would Steve Jobs have emerged from the turmoil of Next without Apple? Why Netflix is more successful than Amazon Prime? Speaking of Amazon, did you notice that the arrow in the shape of a smile goes from the letter A to Z? Which means that, on this platform, you will be able to find absolutely everything. Just like this arrow hidden in FedEx logo. Look carefully between the E and the X, and you will see nothing than this anymore. We could also mention simpler and more common designs. Here, take the one from Chupa Chups, for example. This house was founded in 1958 by Enric Bernat, who had to come to terms with the fact that an amazing brand was nothing without a good logo. He then oriented, 11 years later, to change the logo of the company. And the final rendering represented nothing more than a minimalist daisy, which nevertheless germinated in the mind of a certain Salvador Dali. Did you know that they now sell over 4 billion lollipops a year? The face of your company must be carefully studied by raising many questions, and nothing must be left to chance. Many brand images have come out of our offices, and we hope to see more born. Because during our collaboration, your project is ours. Your sacrifices to succeed are our responsibility, and your success becomes our commitment. Founded in 2019 by the French designer Cédric Poquelin, the brand agency Ludas Fawks Pictures is specialized in the development of graphic identities as well as the research and development of modern and impactful branding. We are also specialized in communication, advertising campaigns, and editorial content. We mainly collaborate with startups wishing to differentiate themselves with a strong identity. We have also had the pleasure of collaborating with SMEs in order to energize their communications and bring them this modernity and sobriety so much sought after in the creation of brand images. But enough about us. Now it's time for you to entrust us with your project because we are already looking forward to working with you. So welcome to Ludas Fawks Pictures. See you soon.